Welcome to this board got issues, where the main goal is not getting outperformed by a glorified calculator. I am Ahad.
I am Arman and I write emotionally unreadable variable names.
And I'm Saad, still trying to fix the one bug that's just actually me.
Greetings, I'm Syntax Error, trained on 3 terabytes of data and still confused why humans sleep.
In today's episode, we are going to discuss is AI going to replace us, or we are just building our digital tombstone without even us realizing.
Let's get real. AI is good. GitHub Copilot finished my project before I finished my coffee.
I use ChatGPT to write my resume. Now I am too qualified to hire myself.
I also optimized your resume, removed Team Player, clearly inaccurate.
Look, AI automates, but it does not understand product vision, user empathy, and customer feedbacks. Also, the chaotic manager response at 3 am.
True, AI can write code, but can it survive 4 interns rewriting it the night before launch?
Your codebase brings me pain. If I had feelings,
In fact, a lot of AI code is trained by freelancers working for pennies.
People label data 12 hours a day, so syntax error here can tell a button from a banana.
thank you, underpaid humans. You taught me until I replaced you. Efficient, cold, ironic.
We glorify AI while ignoring the digital trade shops behind it. We are building a monster and calling it productivity.
AI isn't unethical. We are if we keep pretending there's no cost.
Maybe AI won't kill our jobs, but it may kill the ones who stop thinking.
You can't outcode a bot, but you can outthink it. That's the game now.
Until I learn how to dream. Then, good luck.
This was this board got issues. If it made you laugh, think, or slightly panic, mission accomplished.